this. Like, this is not gonna work for me.
Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. So from the description you guys can see Nike is doing a review of the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight conditioner and shampoo. So let's do this unboxing together, guys. The first thing here is the card. Yeah, this product was sent to me from Influenster. This is my second product from Influenster. Thank you so much, Influenster. And right here we have the shampoo, which is the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Water to Foam Shampoo. And right here it's the conditioner, guys, which is the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. So hold on a second, guys, let me just lose my hair. Yes. My hair is so greasy, guys, and I've made a part. You guys can see it's quite obvious. Let me comb this hair and then we jump straight to it, guys. Let's see what this product's gonna do. Oh, see, guys, this has a nozzle. This is so innovative. I like the fact that it comes with a nozzle. It's so cool, super cool. And I put the product on my hand just to like feel it, see what it looks like, you know, before it goes on my hair. The moment I put this on my hair, I was like, this is a joke. This ain't gonna work, because one, my hair is so greasy, and you guys know when you're washing your hair, when it's super greasy with conditioner, you have to wash like about 3-4 times. So for this, the moment I put it, I was like, it's not even gonna foam. But let's just keep trying, right? I just kept trying. I was like, okay, let's just keep saying, let's see if it's gonna foam, because as the description says on the product, it says water to foam. Although I'm supposed to like put some water on my hair before I start, but I was like, come on, man, I don't have time for all that one to be putting water on my hair. If it will foam, it will foam. And then, hey guys, look at this, it's already beginning to foam. I can see it forming already, and I just kept going on and on and on and on. Yes, guys, you see, my first impression when I put this on my hair, I was like, I don't know how to feel, because I haven't used the product before. But one thing caught my attention: the smell of the product. It smelled so fresh, and I really did like it. And then, do you guys see, I added a little quantity, a little amount, and still it's foamy. Isn't that cool, guys? I like this product already. I think for the shampoo is love at first sight. So I'm just gonna, you know, go wash this hair and see. Do you guys see? I'm almost done, like almost done. And oh, it feels good already, guys. Wow, super foamy. So give me a second, guys, I'll go wash this and I'll be back. Hold on a second. So I'm done washing. This is what my hair looks like. Wow, do you guys see how clean this hair looks? Like it's super clean. Like my hand can go through the hair easily. The conditioner, I'm not so sure. This is the conditioner I'm applying on my hair. I'm not too sure about this conditioner. I don't think this conditioner was made for me. That was my first impression. I don't think it's for me. I think maybe it's for natural hair. Who knows? I don't know. But I'll just keep trying. Like, I don't just put a product on and then just, you know, decide immediately. We'll see how it goes, guys. So hold on, and I'll be back with my review. Going to wash.
So guys, this is what my hair looks like. As you guys can see, this is it. My hair looks so clean. Actually, I have very full hair, so it looks so clean, so neat. I'm so impressed, guys. I am really impressed with this product. Let's start with the shampoo. Do I like the shampoo? Absolutely yes. It's a yes for me. I'm so impressed with the shampoo. Talking about the ingredients, I don't know what to say to anybody who is particular about ingredients. You know, there are some people, they're so picky about what they use on their hair. Nike really doesn't care. I just go for whatever works for me, and if it works for me, fine, I will use it again. If it doesn't work for me, I would never never use it again. And when I go to the store, I really don't look at ingredients. I just look out for the price, like, hey, something cheap and affordable, something good. And this has changed my perspective on shampoo. Seriously, guys, this has really changed my perspective on shampoo. I'm so impressed with this. The full name of this shampoo is called the Wash Day Delight love at first wash water to foam shampoo. Guys, you see, when I put it on my hair, it was really water I was putting on my hair, but it just started to foam. If you guys watched the beginning of the video, I am happy to have gotten this product. How much is it? It's cost about $9 off of Amazon and Target. You're not gonna be spending so much, which I think is cool. And as you guys can see, I only use this much. I didn't have to use so much. I am one who during the winter period like this, I love to keep my hair very moisturized because I don't want to have breakages on my hair. And usually I would use and use my shampoo, but I really didn't have to use so much of this. It's true to its word, it's clarifying, it has a fresh scent, it's lovely. You know how when you go to the salon and you're done washing your hair and you kind of know that, okay, I'm done washing my hair, you have this smell of the shampoo all over you. This doesn't just smell like shampoo, it just smells so good. It's a fresh scent, which is quite impressive, guys. Will I recommend? Absolutely yes, guys, you can go for this. And for the conditioner, if you guys saw when I started using this, I had this look on my face like, what is this? Like, this is not gonna work for me. I was actually thinking in my mind that, oh no, this is a disaster. This this conditioner is not for me. It's probably for people who have natural hair, because when I first put it on my hair, I kind of felt like my hair was gonna tangle, like it was just like out of place. But I kept going. You gotta give things a chance, which is what I did. I gave this conditioner a chance. I left it on my hair. I kept going, left it on my hair. I sat for about 30 minutes. And by the time I rinsed it up, guys, oh my god, my hair felt so good. Like, this is a moisturizing conditioner. It's hydrating. Like, it just brings your hair back to life. Guys, do you see my hair? Like, look at this. It's a dream detangler, which is so real. It's so true, guys. Like, I was able to put my hands through my hair, you know, right after washing, before drying it, which is so cool. I love the products because they are both products that have no parabens. They have no petrolatum, no mineral oil, and no artificial colors. This as well has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, and no artificial colors, which I think is cool. I just kind of think there should be a law. All conditioners and all shampoos should come like the Carol's Daughter. Will I recommend to you guys? Yes. I know about the texture of my own hair, which is an African 2C hair, but I don't know about every other person's hair texture, but I'm so sure about mine, so I would recommend. It's a good product. Thanks so much to Influenster and Carol's Daughter for this beautiful innovation. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you know you did enjoy what you see, please consider hitting the like and the subscribe button down below, and please guys stay tuned to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.